Here's a 2017 Honda Civic sedan. The energetic Civic makes the destination less important than the journey. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Road and Track writes, driving even the base version of this new Civic transports you back to a time when Hondas were actually sporty, cool, and even fun to drive. Every Honda is designed with a driver in mind. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.